In this unit, we're going to learn how to simplify rational expressions. Before we start, we have to know what is a rational expression. It's basically a fraction of polynomial functions, which means you have a polynomial function on the top and the bottom. So this one is a polynomial function. So all these are rational expressions because they have a polynomial function on the top and a polynomial function at the bottom. Same thing here, polynomial function on the top as numerator and a polynomial function at the bottom as denominator. So these are all rational expressions. Since a rational expression is a fraction like this, the denominator, which is 4w minus 8, cannot be equal to 0. Because once it's equal to 0, in math, when you have a fraction with the denominator equal to 0, it is undefined. And that's why 4 minus 8 cannot be equal to 0. Now we want to find exactly what w is, would make a 0, which we cannot have. So we just solve like a regular equation. We have 4w cannot be equal to 8 divided by 4 on both sides. So w cannot be equal to 2 because once w is equal to 2, 4 times 2 is equal to 8 minus 8 equal to 0. And it cannot happen. So that's what we call the restriction on the denominator. What it means is w can be anything except 2. The next thing we're going to learn is to evaluate a rational function. Evaluate basically means we want to find the value of this function when x is equal to 2. So all we need to do is just change all the x to 2. So 4 times 2 over 4 times 2 minus 11, so which is equal to 8, and this 8 minus 11, we have negative 3. We're done. Now let's try another example. In this example, they want to evaluate 7 as x. So all we need to do is just change all the x to 7. So we have 7 squared minus 4 times 7 minus 5 over 7 squared minus 6 times 7 minus 16. But what I just did is to change all the x to 7. That's all. Now we just use some math calculation here. Minus 28 minus 5 over 49 minus 42 minus 16. We end up getting 16 over negative 9. Done.